Bonjour French ladies, it's Marianne. In my video today, I will show you my top 10 sweater dresses for autumn-winter 2021. For many of us, the temperatures are starting to drop. You know, and I know, that to keep warm, you need something in wool or cashmere. Sweater dresses are cozy, they're warm and comfortable, and of course, the trend for autumn-winter. But they can be also very chic, and these dresses, I hope you will agree with me, are very chic indeed. I have spent ages to find 10 suitable sweater dresses in wool or cashmere so that you don't have to spend the time online. Please stay to the end for my best dress that would give the wearer an absolutely beautiful silhouette. Our first dress is by Ted Baker. This below-the-knee dress in speckled grey wool has a crew neck, so you could wear, for instance, a shirt underneath or even a scarf. This dress has balloon sleeves, and of course, balloon sleeves are very in at the moment, and it gives the wearer and the silhouette some kind of panache, and I think it looks really lovely. This dress comes with a very thin, very narrow belt, and I think it's probably too narrow. And for me, I think it will look nicer if you wear this dress with a wider belt. You can wear this dress with heel pumps, with ankle boots or knee-high boots. This dress also is currently in Ted Baker's sale, and already 2 sizes are gone. So if you want this one, go quickly have a look. All the links will be below this video. And now we're moving on to Ann Taylor, and this dress is in deep Shiraz. I really like the name of the color. This is a deep, luxurious color that you will absolutely love. And that in France, we really love that color. The turtleneck and the 100% cashmere of this dress will keep you warm and cozy. Again, the balloon sleeves will give a touch of style to your sweater dress. As this dress is above the knee, I would wear it with knee-high boots to keep you warm and cozy. The dress itself is not skin tight, so it will be good for apple shapes or women with a little tummy. But try to wear some tummy flattening Spanx in order to give you a lean outline. Our third dress, I love this one. It's in deep green. It is from Banana Republic. Believe it or not, that dress was inspired by a fisherman's sweater. It will keep you warm with 58% wool and 10% yak. The good thing about yak is that it is very soft like cashmere, but also warmer than lamb's wool. As this dress has a high mock neck, you won't even need to wear an additional scarf with it because it will keep you extra warm and cozy. The design of this dress, of course, is simple, but I find it very chic. And that deep green is absolutely superb. You can dress it down to make it casual with, for instance, moto jacket and ankle boots. Or you can dress it up with the wool coat and knee-high boots. Which dress is your favorite so far? Please let us know in the comments below. Number 4 is another beautiful cashmere dress from Ann Taylor. It has a turtleneck to keep you warm again, and it is just above the knee. I especially love the color speckled fawn. I really like the name. I think it's so lovely. And of course, in this color, it will be easily accessorized. Dress it up with a single or double-breasted wool coat and leather knee-high boots, or dress it down with a pair of simple ankle boots. Our number 5 is from Nordstrom, and this is a fabulous dress. It is available in oatmeal and black, and it is a fit and flare dress. It is 90% wool and 10% cashmere. This one has not got balloon sleeves, but the sleeves are close to the arms, but here it has a slit at the wrist. It has a crew neck and it is below the knee. I think this dress deserves a belt because already it is giving you a fabulous hourglass figure, but I think that with the added belt, it will make a focus point directly to your waistline, and that would be amazing. This is a very smart dress that will be ideal to wear on occasions during winter. As I just said earlier, it is available in black, and oatmeal, but they are going fast. I think there are not many left already. As we are already halfway through the video, and if you want to improve your wardrobe for autumn and winter, don't miss out my special offer below this video, which is my autumn and winter capsule wardrobe bundle. Can you believe you can find my number 6 on Amazon? The dress is by Adriano Goldschmidt and it is in red amaryllis, really bright color, vibrant for our cold winter days. This dress is in 95% merino wool and 5% cashmere. It has a crew neck and it's cut very close to the body. So you may want to wear some kind of a smooth underwear to give you a lovely lean outline. Again, there are many ways you can wear this classic knitted dress for the winter. Please don't forget, I am keeping my best for last, so stay to the end. Our 7th dress is from Vince on Nordstrom, and this is a polo neck dress. This one is in cashmere blend with 60% wool and 28% cashmere. The polo neck gives you a nice V-neck, so that will be flattering for women with large busts. The sleeves are extra long and it is below the knee. As the dress itself skims the body, you can wear it as it is, or you can wear it with a belt to show off your waistline. It is available in maple or in beetroot, which is a pale pink. Again, this is a classic dress that you can wear so many ways. You can dress it up or dress it down. You can wear jewelry, you can wear scarves, belt, no belt, ankle boots, knee-high boots. Really, there's so many ways. And this is one of those classic dresses, again, if you like knitted dresses, that you will be wearing again and again in your wardrobe. And number 8 is from Ralph Lauren. Look at this beautiful fit and flare dress. This dress actually shows you that you can wear a sweater dress, but a dress that gives you still a feminine outline. It is in a wool blend, it has a crew neck, no more long sleeves, and as I said, fitted to the body on the torso, so you can wear a belt that would be absolutely lovely to show your silhouette, create a waistline and give you really this hourglass shape. It is in a midi length, so for me I think it would look the best worn with knee-high boots. This dress is also available in camel. I really love the elegant look that this dress gives the wearer, especially if you are tall, and I think if you are tall, this would be a perfect dress for you. And number 9 is from Ann Taylor again, and this dress is a funnel neck sweater dress. In 100% cashmere, this dress has the funnel neck and slight balloon sleeves. I find it very stylish, and also the speckled black cashmere adds this kind of a festive touch to it, and I think that would be ideal for the Christmas festivities. This dress has a relaxed fit, so you can wear it as is for extra comfort, or to show off your waistline, you can wear it with a belt if you wish. It is knee length, so you can wear it with a variety of footwear. I think again, this is a classic dress that you can have in your wardrobe and dress it up or dress it down, it will last you a few years. Before I show you my absolute favorite knitted dress, I thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please click like, share this video to many friends, and please subscribe. Now, my absolute favorite, our number 10 from Maison Margiela, and it is in nude wool blend. Just look at this piece of engineering, should I say, or should I say design. From the bust down to the hemline, you have movement and an extra frill that gives the wearer a lean but willowy silhouette. This design is catapulting the style of a simple dress into one that is extra special, guaranteed to turn heads.